Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you basic networking. So network has two parts, routing and switching. And now we are going to static routing. Routing is also divided into two parts, static routing and dynamic routing. In this video I'm going to show you static routing. So now open Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see, we opened Cisco Packet Tracer and now we're going to make a diagram and work with static routing. So we need network devices. We choose network devices, routers. We need two routers, router 2911 and 2901. And we need two switches, switch 2960 and 2960 again. And now we need in devices. So we choose a, a PC on the left and a PC on the right. And now we're going to connect them together. So we need connection cable. We choose connection automatic cable. We connect router 0 to router 1, switch 0 to router 0, switch 1 to router 1, PC 0 to switch 0, and PC1 to switch 1. So we made a diagram and now we're going to put them IP address. So now we have three networks in our diagram. Network 1, network 2 and network 3. So at the first we should give them label to each network. With label we can see each network IP address. So from here we choose place node and we give our first network IP address 192.168.1.0. It is our first network and its IP address, and second network 1.292.168.2.0, and the third network 192.168.3.0. Yes. And now we're going to give IP address on level for routers interfaces. So we choose place node. We're going to give for this interface IP address .1, .2, .250, .250 again. So it's optional. Every IP address, any IP address you can use for your interfaces. So this .1 means 192.168.2.1. Yes. This IP address belongs to this interface gig 0/0, and this IP address 192.168.2.2 belongs to gig 0/0. So and so on. Up to now, we just gave them IP address on labels. And now we're going to set up IP address on routers interfaces. So we click on router 0 enable conf terminal, and now we are on the global configuration mode, and now we're going to give IP address for this interface gig 0/1. At the first we should move on this interface gigabit ethernet 0/1. We set IP address from this network, from network 1 IP address 192.168.1.250. Here is, yes, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 from class C, and enter, and no shutdown. The interface turned on, and now exit, and now we're going to set up IP address for gig 0/0 on network 2. So we move to interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.2.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. So we exit from this router, and now we move to router 1 CLI. No, enable conf terminal, and now we're going to set up IP address for this interface gig 0/1 from network 2. Interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.1. I'm sorry, .2.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. Exit, and now we're going to interface gig 0/1. Interface gigabit ethernet 0/1. We set them IP address from this network 3 192.168.3.250. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. Exit. Now we see our interface is turned on, and we set up IP address for routers interfaces. And now we're going to see our interfaces. So exit. We type show IP interface brief. Okay, and now we see our interfaces in router 0, that with IP address and the protocol or manual is up. Okay, on router 1, show IP interface brief. We see there are interfaces with IP address and their manuals or app. So now we could set up them IP address. It's time to put IP address in our PCs. PC 0 IP configuration and IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask. It would automatically takes from class C and default gateway is 192.168.1.250. From this interface, it takes default gateway from this gateway interface. And PC1 desktop IP configuration and IP address 192.168.3.2 subnet mask and default gateway 192.168.3.250. And now all the IP address set up except switches, because now our switches don't need to give IP address because we are doing routing, not switching. Now we are doing static routing. In static routing, we should introduce all the network for every router except directory network connected. Here, router 0 is directly connected to router network 1 and network 2, but it doesn't know about network 3. We should introduce network 3 for router 0. It will introduce to router 0 via next hop. Next hop means next router. So next hop of network 3 is gig 0/0. So we want to introduce network 3 to router 0. Click on router and enter enable conf terminal and type IP route which network 3 192.168.3.0 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 via we should set the next hop. Our next hop is gig 0/0. So now 192.168.2.2 and click enter, exit. And now router 0 knows about network 3. So now we are doing on router 1. Router 1 knows about the directory network connected, network 2 and 3, but it doesn't know about network 1 because it's not directly connected. So we want to introduce network 1 to router 1. Right click on it, enable conf terminal IP route 192.168.1.0 set the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and clear the next hop. One 192.168.2.1. That's okay. and exit. WR, we save it. And now we want to see routing table, so click on router 0 and type show running config. Enter it, come down. Now you see here IP classless, IP route, and this is the address of network 3 that router 0 knows about network 3. So when you click on router 1, type show running config, enter. Here you can see IP route, the running config that's saved. So we did static routing, and now we want to ping our PCs. So we want to ping from PC 0 to PC 1. Right click on PC 0, command prompt, and ping 192.168.3.2. Now you see we can ping PC 0 to PC 1. If we ping from PC 1 to PC 0, we ping 192.168.1.1. Also, reply came from source to destination. So guys, our static routing finished, and I hope this video can help you. Please like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.